In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipper Card on Caltrain. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use your Clipper Card on Caltrain. First, I want to make it very clear that if you have never used the Clipper Card, you will be able to do so by following these instructions. However, if you have used the Clipper Card before on something like BART, the process is essentially the same. You will notice some small differences, but all you have to do is tag on and then tag off. So, to start, as you board the train, find the Clipper card reader. Usually it is going to be a blue circle with a Clipper logo. All that you have to do is hold your Clipper card flat against the reader. Immediately upon doing this, you will hear a beep and see a light indicating that your fare has been deducted, and you can now board the train. You can do the exact same steps if you have the card registered to a digital wallet, such as the Google Wallet or the Apple Wallet, but instead of placing the physical card, you simply place your phone near the card reader. Make sure that NFC is enabled on your mobile device and you will also be able to get this done. Likewise, the fare will be deducted just like normal. Now, when you get off the train, it is extremely important to find another Clipper card reader and tag your card again to confirm the end of your trip. This is crucial because Caltrain uses a distance-based fare system. If you don't tag off, you will either be overcharged or you might be accused of committing fraud. So keep that in mind. It is very important to tag on and then remember to tag off. You can set a timer to remember to do so. So, as long as you tag on and then tag off when you get off the train, you will be good to go. The fare will be deducted accordingly with the distance, and you will be able to get it done. Caltrain operates within fare zones. Tagging on and off within the same zone usually results in a lower fare. If you only have a physical card and you would like to acquire a digital one, you can do so by going over to Google Wallet or the Apple Wallet and following the steps from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Clipper Card on Caltrain. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.